right, folks, we are on page 179. We are going to do example 1, and then we are going to flip to page 180 and do example 2. Okay? All right, so we are going to write 1/40th as a decimal, okay? And then we're going to decide if it's terminating or if it stops, okay? So they've already got it set up for us here. So I'm going to go ahead and raise this little dot, okay? 40 won't go into 10, but it will go into 100 2 times. And notice I added that 0 there, okay? 2 times 40 is going to be 80. I'm going to subtract and get 20, bring down my 0. So if 40 will go into 100 2 times, I know it will go into 200 4 times, maybe even 5 times, because 5 times 4 is 20. All right, so I bring down my 0, and it'll go 0 times, and then look, it's going to start doing the 0 thing. All right, so, and it gives you the answer down here, but that was the long division practice, okay? As we move down to part B, it says if the decimal ends with blank zeros, this is a terminating decimal. So this is asking for repeating zeros. And you don't have to write those zeros out. Like I said, this is just to kind of show you the difference in a terminating decimal and a repeating decimal. Okay, so here's a check for you. All right. We will enter this in on the Google form attached below. Okay? All right. Let's go over to example 2. All right. Example 2 says write -5/6 as a decimal. Determine if it's terminating. Okay, so same process. I'm going to go ahead and bring this up. Okay, 6 won't go into 5, but it will go to 50. 6 times 8 is 48. Got my 2. Bring down my 0. 6 is going to go into 20. 6 times 3 is 18. 2, bring down my 0. Same thing. Now, folks, what's going to happen? Oops, not 20. Sorry. I'm going to keep getting 20 over and over and over again. So what is going to repeat? Okay, that 3 is going to repeat. Okay, so the remainder is never 0. So the quotient will have a repeating 3 because the decimal repeats. Write it using bar notation. So -5/6 is -0.83333, or just -0.83 with a bar over that 3. Okay, this is not a terminating decimal. And we'll do this check on the Google form linked below. Yeah. And we have a photo bomber. Nobody. This is my video for the morning.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Or one of them. All right, you got one more video after this.